Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how to transfer money from your Chime Credit Builder Card to your spending account. Let's get started. Now first, open the Chime app and on your phone or visit Chime the website. Sign into your account using your credentials, and once you're logged in, locate the Move Money option. Alright, and it will be on the main screen of the app. This will allow you to transfer funds between your accounts. Now, next, tap or click on the transfer funds or transfer money, and depending on your version of your app, and in the from account section, select your credit builder. All right, this is the step where the things change. So select your credit builder, and you can also go in this forum to see how to do this. You can it is usually under move money, transfer money, pay bills, transfer funds, then choose from account first. This is where the credit builder account is available. Alright. And the rest of the process is simple. Just and select the account you want to send it to from the drop down and select in this case you should select spending account. This is where you want your funds transferred to. And now enter the amount you wish to transfer from your credit builder card to your spending account. And once you have set the amount, review your details. After reviewing your details, click on the transfer button and to initiate the transfer. If everything looks good, and your funds should be moved immediately. And you'll also receive a confirmation once your transfer is successful. And that's it. You have just transferred money from your Chime Credit Builder card to the spending account successfully. And if this tutorial helped, make sure to subscribe, share, like, and do whatever you want to do with this video. And I'll see you in the next one.